Alright, great news. This is me, Surferbrg. First thing said, I just got my first dose vaccine today. But I'm glad it was successful. And at the same time, didn't have the energy to travel all the way back to LA since I'm pretty far. And figured I was going to be a little exhausted after preparing myself today. So I figured after the vaccine, first dose of the Pfizer, I figured I'd crash it in a hotel in Azusa. So, welcome to a room tour of the Stardust Motel in Azusa, California. So, hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Alright, so right now I had to use my smartphone because unfortunately my camera was acting up. I really need to replace my cameras. So anyway, this room was really nice. I got a good view from the outside. It's just a nice door. AC units right there. This room is like really spacious. I ordered one bed, but they gave me two beds, so I was kind of in a hurry because this was last minute planned for the vaccine stuffs. So I was like, yeah, I'll take whatever room's available. Like the outside looks all right, but inside, pretty nice and basic, not fancy, but hey, there's like two beds with a nightstand. There's the TV, which I was on with the dresser. There's a chair right there. Table right here. I wonder if the chair was over there and it got moved. But anyway, it's got a couple beds. Area to hang your clothes, the trash. It's got a microwave, which I didn't bother to use because I ended up just eating out. Here's a nice mini fridge for drinks and food. Just got a couple drinks in there. This is the area with the mirror. It's got a nice sink as well. And in here's not much, but here's a nice bathroom with a toilet. And yeah. But other than that, this room is pretty basic. And not a whole lot I can say right now, but I have to say the room is really nice. Just kind of huge, big. So other than that, sorry to resort to my smartphone because my camera wasn't working. So anyway, well, it's not much, but heck, it's not fancy, but I'll take whatever I can get. So this is the room tour of the Stardust Motel in Azusa, California. But anyway, I'm glad to be vaccinated. I'm looking forward to crashing early so I can wake up early and just head home. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this little video on one of my adventures. So see you guys.